So the first question, which article of the Constitution of India lays down that it shall be the duty of the Advocate General to give advice to the government of state upon legal matters? Advocate General. Number B is the right answer, Article 165. Question number 2, Article 245 to 255 in Part 11 of the Indian Constitution deals with? Option number C, legislative relation between the center and the states. Question number 3, which article of the Indian Constitution mentions that the state shall endeavor to promote cottage industries on the individual or cooperative basis in rural areas? Option number C, Article 43. Question number 4, Article 52 to 78 in Part 5 of the Indian Constitution deals with the? Option number B, Union Executive. 5. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the Parliament and its proceedings? Option number C, Article 79 to 122. Question number 6. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for protecting and improving the environment, safeguarding forests and wildlife? Option number C, Article 48A. 7. Which of the following articles and parts of the Indian Constitution deals with the state legislature? Number B, Article 168 to 212 in Part 6. 8. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions about the promotion of educational and economic interest of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other weaker sections? Option number D, Article 46. Question number 9. In a situation wherein A female and B male are working in the same office, same designation, same nature of work, but unequal payment, which of the following articles of the Constitution be applicable? Option number B, Article 39D. 10. Which article of the Constitution deals with citizenship? Option number A, Articles 5 to 11. Question number 11. Under the discretionary power of which article of the Indian Constitution did the Supreme Court of India recognize sex work as a profession? Option number B, Article 142. 12. Which article provides that all minorities have the right to establish and administer educational institution of their choice? Option number D, Article 30. 13. How many languages are included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India as scheduled languages? Option number A, 22. 14. Article 15 of the Constitution of India entails? Number B is the right answer. Prohibition of discrimination against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. 15. Reservation in promotion comes under which article of the Constitution? Option number C, Article 16, 4A. 16. Articles 344 plus 1 and 351 of the Constitution of India are related to? Option number A, 8th schedule. 17. In which article does the Finance Commission of India find a mention? Option number C, Article 280. 18. As per Article dash of the Indian Constitution, the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. Option number D, 75 plus 3. 19. Biological Diversity Act 2002 was passed by the Government of India. It fulfilled ideals of which article of the directive principles of state policy in the Constitution of India? Option number B, Article 48A. 20. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions about the salaries and allowances of the chairman and deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha and the speaker and deputy speaker of the Lok Sabha? Option number B, Article 97. 21. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution mentions that the Vice President of India shall be the ex officio chairman of the Council of States? Number A, Article 89. 22. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions about the right of the Advocate General of a state to speak in the state legislature? Option number C, Article 177. 23. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions that the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly of the state? Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly of the state. Option number C, Article 164, surplus 2. 24. Which article specifies the procedure for amending the Indian Constitution? Option number C, Article 368. 25. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions that a person may be appointed as the governor of two or more states? May be appointed as the governor of two or more states. Option number D, Article 153. 26. Which article of the Indian Constitution states that there shall be a high court for each state? Option number C, Article 214. 27. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions that the qualification for membership of the state legislature? Option number C, Article 173. Question number 28. What article of the Indian Constitution provides that the state governor has the authority to reserve a bill for the consideration of the president? To reserve a bill for the consideration of the president. Here option number B is the right answer, Article 200. Question number 29. Dash of the Indian Constitution sets qualification for being a member of the Lok Sabha? Option number B, Article 84. 30. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution are related to the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Option number option number D is the right answer, Article 148 to 151. 31. In respect of Arunachal Pradesh, the governor has special responsibility under dash of the Constitution of India with respect to law and order and in discharge of his functions in relation thereto. Arunachal Pradesh. Option number C is the correct answer, Article 371H. 32. Under which schedule of the Indian Constitution is the form of oath or affirmation for a judge of the Supreme Court mentioned? Option number D, third schedule. 33. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions that in the performance of his her duties, the Attorney General of India shall have the right of audience in all the courts in the territory of India? Attorney General for India shall have the right of audience in all the courts in the territory of India. Option number B is the correct answer, Article 76(3). 34. Which article of the Constitution of India mentions that there shall be a Public Service Commission for the Union and a Public Service Commission for each state? Option number B, Article 315(1), so plus 1. 35. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution empowers the Parliament to restrict or abrogate the fundamental rights of the members of the armed forces, parliamentary forces, police forces, intelligence agencies, and analogue forces? Article 33 is the right answer, option number A. 36. As per the Article 361 of the Constitution of India, who among the following shall not be answerable to any court for exercise and performance of the powers and duties of his her office? Option number D, governor. 37. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution contains provisions for disqualification of legislator on the grounds of defection? Option number A, Schedule 10, it is called anti-defection law. 38. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions that all the authorities, civil and judicial, in the territory of India shall act in aid of the Supreme Court? Shall act in the aid of the Supreme Court. Option number C, Article 144. 39. Which of the following statements is correct about Article 129 of the Constitution of India? Option number C, it provides for the Supreme Court to be a court of record. 40. Which clause of Article 19 of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to move freely throughout the territory of India? Option number C, Clause D is the right answer. It is your homework, guys. Which of the following article says that double jeopardy, which says that no person shall be prosecuted or punished for the same offense more than once? You have to answer this question in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can download PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.